Welcome to the Blue & Company office in Columbus, Ohio. My name is Janelle McRae, and I'm one of our administrative assistants. Whether you're looking to apply to Blue or you've just accepted an offer, let me give you a quick peek inside the office. I'm excited to show you around. While we refer to this office as our Columbus office, it is actually located in the northern suburb of Westerville, just 1 minute off the Polaris Parkway exit and 71. Welcome to 9200 Worthington Road. Blue & Co. is on the second floor of the building. The elevators are to the right, so come on in. Just past our lobby, we have 4 conference rooms. We are able to accommodate various sized groups, from client meetings to employee trainings and group work. Several rooms are set up with conference bridges that allow for screen sharing from your laptop without the need for hooking up any cables or extra equipment. Beyond the conference rooms, we have additional offices for visiting Blue employees to utilize a similar space to their local office to work comfortably with multiple monitor setups. Our cafeteria is an awesome space. Not only does it hold our state-of-the-art coffee brewer, it's just a beautiful open space for our team to hang out and enjoy lunch with one another. Every month, we get together for office lunches, games, contests, and holiday parties, which really brings us together as a community. In this hallway, we've got a fun visual representing Blue's values. These values guide our firm and serve as a daily reminder of who we strive to be. This is our main office area. The center of the office has cubicles for those in administrative positions, as well as staff and senior accountants. The perimeter has offices for managers, senior managers, and directors. One of the best aspects about working here is that there are several areas with this open concept space for getting together for small group projects. Thanks for joining me on this quick tour of our office here in Columbus, and thanks for your interest in Blue.